Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by selecting a brokerage that fits your goals and experience. Choose a discount brokerage for low commissions or a full-service brokerage for advice and research. Typical account minimums range from /bin/sh to 000 depending on firm, and promotions can temporarily reduce those thresholds. Expect fees like /bin/sh commissions for many stocks, 99 for some trades, or advisory fees of 0.5% for managed portfolios. Compare commission schedules, account fees, and any inactivity or transfer charges before you commit. Complete the online application and KYC by uploading a government ID, proof of address, and your SSN or PAN depending on jurisdiction. Firms require accurate details to comply with regulations. Verification typically completes in 24 to 72 hours, although manual review or additional documents can extend that window. Link a checking or savings account to fund trades. Transfers can take 1 to 5 business days, but instant funding options or debit card transfers may allow immediate buying power with certain limits in place. Once funded, place trades using appropriate order types. Market for immediate execution, limit to set a price, and stop loss to cap downside. Combine orders with duration settings to manage exposure. If you open a margin account, you can borrow against holdings. Margin accounts let you borrow up to 50% initial margin on many equities, but maintenance requirements and interest rates vary, so monitor margin use closely. Keep records for tax season, report gains on Form 1099 for U.S. accounts, and remember short-term gains are taxed at your ordinary income rate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.